Few things are so much taken for granted and so catastrophic to lose as a ready and ample supply of water. It has a profound effect on every aspect of our lives, and when the flow is slowed or interrupted, life as we know it can come to a sudden halt. Still, it's common for aging water systems to deteriorate to the point that water quality is affected. Flow is significantly reduced, pumping costs escalate, fire insurance ratings are in jeopardy. Spinello Companies is the recognized worldwide leader in rehabilitating existing pipeline in place. Spinello can clean and cement mortar line existing pipelines at a fraction of the cost of replacement and with only minimal disruption and inconvenience to water users. Low flow and loss of capacity in metal pipe is caused by the buildup of corrosion in deposits. In rehabilitation, this buildup is eliminated. Then the spin line cement mortar lining process provides protection for the interior surface that lasts indefinitely. Low flow and loss of capacity in metal pipe is caused by the buildup of corrosion in deposits. In rehabilitation, this buildup is eliminated. Then the spin line cement mortar lining process provides protection for the interior surface that lasts indefinitely. It's a process that's widely accepted by the waterworks industry and has provided a lower cost permanent solution for customers across the nation and around the world. Here are some typical examples of increased flow following rehabilitation using the Hazen-Williams coefficient as a measurement. The Department of Water and Power in the City of Los Angeles, 58 before rehabilitation, 137 after. In the City and County of San Francisco, 107 before, 140 after. In Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, from 59 to 118, twice the flow after rehabilitation. Atlanta, Georgia, 90 before, 141 after. These are just a few of hundreds of examples in which rehabilitation with the spin line process has dramatically improved pipeline flow. The unique properties of the cement mortar lining used in the process assure that the benefits of the improved flow will last for a long time to come. When the lining is applied to the interior of cleaned or new pipe, it provides a zone of alkalinity on the metal surface that acts as a barrier against corrosion. This protection is unaffected by age or solution. In addition, cement mortar offers high compressive strength. The cured lining forms a continuous ring within the pipe, creating an arch action, which holds the lining in tight contact with the pipe wall. Cement mortar remains firmly in place without relying on a bond or adhesive strength that might break down over time. Also, cement mortar is amazingly durable. The City of Detroit Department of Water Supply subjected a cement mortar lining to a rigorous series of tests to observe its behavior under stress and internal pressures. The City of Detroit, Michigan conducted a pressure test on a length of 48-inch diameter by half-inch wall riveted steel pipe. The section to be tested was perforated with numerous holes from 1 inch to 6 1/4 inches in diameter. Cement mortar lining was then centrifugally applied to the inside of the pipe, the thickness of the lining graduating from 1/4 inch at one end to 1 inch at the other. After an adequate curing period, a prescribed hydraulic testing procedure was followed to determine at what pressures failure might occur in the cement mortar lining. A large hole, 6 1/4 inches in diameter, blew out at a pressure of 305 psi. The thickness of the lining at this particular hole was 5/8 inches. From this test, it is concluded that cement mortar lining, properly applied, provides positive protection against leakage under normal operating pressures. Spinello has designed the rehabilitation process to minimize disruption and inconvenience. The company can provide bypass piping in whatever size and configuration is required for those projects in which service must be maintained. After the application of the cement mortar lining, but before it's set, small diameter customer service lines and laterals can be cleared without entering homes or businesses. Spinello's rehabilitation methods for pipelines in place require only minimal access excavations. The distance between excavations varies depending on the specific project, but in any case are vastly less disruptive than those required for pipeline replacement. When excavations are complete, a section of the pipe is removed to provide access for the cleaning and lining equipment. After cleaning, application of the cement mortar lining begins. The spin line process uses a centrifugal application method which is suitable for cast iron, steel, concrete, brick, asbestos, cement, corrugated metal, and even wood stave pipe. The spin line method has successfully been used to line pipe from 4 inches in diameter to more than 24 feet. Of course, new pipe can also be lined, either before it's installed or after all pipe handling and construction has been completed. Lining new pipe lines in place offers the advantages of a continuous lining with no joints to make up, no damage to pipe lining during installation, and less weight to handle during installation. Even pipelines that are seriously deteriorated can be successfully lined with Spinello's patented reinforced spin line process. This is a 2-course method which encases a helically applied steel reinforcing rod in the cement mortar. Rod size and spacing can be varied, and the method has been used on cast iron, steel, corrugated metal, concrete pipelines, and brick conduit. In-place rehabilitation is the most cost-effective, efficient method available to restore pipeline performance, and nobody knows more about it than Spinello companies. Compared to replacement, cost reductions of 50% and more are common with rehabilitation. In addition, flow capacity is maintained indefinitely, reducing pumping costs and maintenance and protecting your insurance. Nationwide and around the world, the largest corporations, utility and electric companies, the oil and gas industry, the U.S. military, many federal agencies, municipal, county, and state governments have enjoyed the benefits and savings of rehabilitation of pipelines in place. When you consider the alternatives available to restore pipeline capacity, make the choice that makes sense. Go with the flow. Join the ranks of our long list of satisfied customers and choose Spinello. Contact us by phone, fax, or visit our website for detailed technical specifications regarding our spin line process or specific projects. We welcome the opportunity to serve you.